Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we can discuss another one theorem, that is theorem 5.8 in your textbook. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we want to read the statement carefully. The statement says, okay, we can suppose take this triangle. This triangle have three sides, AB, AC and BC. So the statement says the sum of any two sides. We know that in a triangle have three sides. In three sides we choose any two side. That means in this case we choose AB plus AC. AB plus AC. These two sides, the sum means addition of two sides is greater than the remaining third side. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೂರನೇ ಸೈಡ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So you can easily understand by taking this AB plus AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC, or you can choose AB plus BC. AB plus BC is greater than AC, right? Or you can choose AC plus BC is greater than AB. All are same. The ultimate statement is, if you choose any two sides, you compare with the third side, it is greater. So let's we prove this. Okay, what's the given here? This is the triangle ABC. The given, we have a triangle ABC as shown in this figure. So we not only you can name any XYZ, PQR, that's your choice. So it is in this time we can take triangle ABC. What we want to prove? To prove, we need to prove that the sum of any two sides is greater than third side. So we need to show that AB plus AC is equal to BC. This is not the ultimate condition. ಬರೀ ನೀವು AB plus AC greater than BC ಅಂತಲೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. You can choose any two sum is, you can show is greater than third side. So this time we can say AB plus AC is greater than BC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. So let's move on to the proof part. Okay, we want to construct, measure the length of AC, and extend AB to AD. ನೋಡಿ, AC ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದೇ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಈ BA ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. See, why we are showing? Because AD is, we want to show AD is equal to AC. That's why we make a construction. Using this length we can extend this line up to this. AB is up to AD. Now join this DC. Okay, this is our construction part. So let us extend BA to point D. So when you are construct like this, so AD is equal to AC, because we only measure equal length, so the sides are same here. So AD is equal to AC. Now this side and this side is equal. Is it right? So next, in triangle DAC, angle DCB, this whole part, angle DCB, ಏನಿದೆ angle DCB ನಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋಡಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ. ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಬಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಸಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ, ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ, ಎ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ. From equation 1, angle DCA is equal to angle ADC. Why you are right? Replace here. Here we can mention angle ACD is equal to, sorry, angle DAC is equal to angle DCA is equal to angle ADC. So in angle DCB, angle DCB, angle ADC plus angle ACB, angle ADC, angle ADC plus angle ACB, or you can write DCB is greater than angle ADC, DCB is greater than angle ADC. Why? Because in this case this angle and this angle is equal. Why? We can write here angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is theorem we can prove already. So this is the equation 2. Angle DCB is greater than angle ADC, right? Next, in triangle BDC, triangle triangle BDC, the whole triangle, BD is greater than BC. BD is greater than BC because the side opposite to greater angle is greater than the opposite smaller angle. Hence, BA plus AD is greater than BC. So, BA plus AD, BA plus AD is greater than BC. And okay, but BD we will be written as BA plus AD, BA plus AD. So in this case BD is greater than BC, so we can write BD is equal to BA plus AD here, BA plus AD and is greater than AC, and AD is equal to AC. By construction we can write this AD is equal to AC. So BD will be written as BA plus AD is greater than BC. Replace this AD by AC. So BA plus AC is greater than BC. BA plus AC is greater than BC. This is we want to prove. Is it right? This is two sides BA plus AC. These are two sides is greater than BC. So hence this theorem will be proved. I hope you can understand, students. Thank you.